look at this streetwear collection, the premium clothing graphics, the cinematic product mockups, and even the video ad running on your screen right now. If you want to build a brand like this, you don't need to hire an expensive agency, and you definitely don't need to master complex software like Adobe Illustrator. In this video, you are going to learn how to create every single design asset your new clothing business needs from scratch in exactly 2 hours, and for a total budget of just $15. Here's the thing most people don't talk about when you're starting a clothing brand. The design phase alone can stop you dead in your tracks. You either spend weeks trying to figure out complicated tools, or you spend hundreds of dollars on designers before you've even made your first sale. That's exactly why I want to show you Kittl's Agentic AI today. It's a browser-based design platform built specifically for individuals who want professional, print-ready results without requiring a design degree or a large budget. We're talking logos, clothing graphics, product mockups, and even video ads all inside one tool, all for $15 a month. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to set up your brand workspace, design your first clothing graphic, build stunning product mockups, and generate a realistic video ad all ready to post, print, or pitch. And if you want to follow along right now, the link to this tool is in the description below. Let's get into it. Step 1, setting up your workspace. Now, here comes my favorite part to start with, because this is where everything clicks into place and you realize, okay, this is actually doable. When I first opened the website, I honestly expected it to feel like every other design tool, overwhelming, cluttered, 100 buttons I didn't understand. But the moment the dashboard loaded, I literally said out loud, wait, that's it? Is that clean? So here's how we start. First, go to their website and create your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your creative home base. Before we start everything, we need to decide the product. For this video, I'll go to Gelato, a print-on-demand platform that basically lets us start selling with zero cost. Go to the product catalog and select the best sellers category. I'll pick this heavyweight unisex crew neck t-shirt. After that, click on Add to Store and choose your online store that is already connected. Now we just need to design our product. Here is what most people don't know. This tool wasn't built to compete with Canva. It was actually built to solve the biggest headache in Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Ask any professional designer and they'll tell you that warping text, creating complex vector paths, and applying realistic grunge textures by hand takes hours of tedious work. This tool's entire engine was engineered specifically to automate those high-level design tasks. It turns what used to be a 3-hour expert Adobe workflow into a single, effortless click for absolute beginners. Your workspace is ready. Now let's actually design something. Step 2, creating your clothing graphic. Now here comes the most exciting part, because this is where your brand actually starts to look real. When I designed my first clothing graphic inside this tool, I used the AI image gen typed in a few words, and the result looked like something I'd seen on a $90 hoodie at a boutique store. I literally had to zoom in just to make sure it was actually mine. Here's how we do it. From your home page, click on the Create button, and you'll see this new page where all the magic happens. Select your artboard size. I'll go with the standard. You'll see this prompt box for image, Agentic AI, and video generation. Select Agentic AI, and now we just need to write our prompt to create our design. For example, I'll go with this. Create a t-shirt design with Y2K style. You don't need a detailed prompt because Agentic AI turns design from a manual chore into a total breeze. Instead of just following basic prompts, these AI agents act like your own creative partner. They actually get your vision, handle the heavy lifting like layouts and style consistency for you, and keep refining things until the design looks polished and ready to go. You can also upload an image here as a reference image. Then we can hit generate. Once your image is ready, you can click this icon to remove the background. From here, I'll go back to the Gelato website to add this graphic to my product. Next, click on Continue to Mockups. I'll select this primary image and download it to my device. Here's a pro tip most beginners skip. Don't waste your time guessing random keywords in the AI box. Instead, open up the built-in prompt builder. This feature lets you visually stack pre-made style categories, specific lighting setups, and design effects like blocks. It takes all the guesswork out of prompt engineering, giving your clothing graphics a highly intentional, professional look without you having to overthink a single sentence. That's your clothing graphic done. Next, we're going to take this basic image to eye-catching mockups. Step 3, building your product mockups. Now here comes my absolute favorite step, because this is the one that makes your brand look like it's already established, even before you've printed a single shirt. When I first generated the mockup with the Agentic AI feature, the result looked so real that someone in my circle asked me where they could buy it. I literally had to explain it wasn't a real product photo yet. So we can start by uploading our product image. Next, write a prompt for the mockups. Here, I'm gonna write this. Create 4 mockup variations for Etsy listing. Now in less than 5 minutes, you'll get your results like this. It's really realistic even with just a simple prompt. But I'm gonna show you how to edit this generated image with ease. Click on the image and select Edit Area on the right side of your screen. After that, brush or select the area you want to edit. Then, write down the changes you want to make and hit Edit Image. Next, we can create a product listing image. For example, I'll use this mockup for the reference image. Then we can type this: premium sweatshirt listing, minimalist studio setup, clean layout with heavyweight cotton blend, text overlay. The AI will start doing the heavy lifting for us. In less than a minute, we will get this result. Here's the real secret. You don't actually need a dozen different apps to finish your product listing. This tool is a true all-in-one powerhouse. You can reframe your shots, remove backgrounds, or use AI to erase and fill. Everything is right here. Instead of hopping between 5 different tools, you just handle everything in one place. It's not just an image or video generator, it's a full editing suite that takes your design from a blank canvas to a pro-level listing, start to finish. Once you're happy, download each mockup as a high-resolution JPEG. These are your product photos ready for your website, your Etsy shop, your Instagram, or your pitch deck. Do this for 2 or 3 different products and you'll have a complete visual catalog in under 30 minutes. Step 4, generating a realistic video ad now. Here comes the part that genuinely surprised me the most because I did not expect a $15 design tool to do this. When I generated my first video ad inside this tool, I watched my product turn into a smooth cinematic clip with motion and atmosphere. I literally sat back and thought, brands pay agencies thousands of dollars for this. Here's how we do it. First, we can select our mockup or product image as the reference image. After that, we can just type a basic prompt. Here I'll write this: create a cinematic video of a person wearing the product in a sunlit studio. Now, we can just wait for the video to be generated. I'll also make another video variation here. For the second video, I'll go with this prompt: slow motion panning shot of the product hanging on a minimalist rack. For the last video, I'll put this: professional product showcase video of a sweatshirt, clean studio background, rotating smoothly, high-end e-commerce quality. And just like that, it's done. A professional grade asset that nobody would guess was AI made. And the crazy part? I literally typed that in 5 seconds. Here's a pro tip: keep your video ad between 6 and 15 seconds. That's the sweet spot for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts ads. Short enough to hold attention, long enough to show the product clearly. In 2 hours, you've gone from zero to a complete brand asset library, a clothing graphic, product mockups in multiple colorways, and a video ad ready to run. Let's talk about what this actually costs you in the real world, because the numbers are kind of wild. If you hired a professional graphic designer for all of this, easily $300 to $800, and that's before revisions. If you hired a product photographer for those mock-up shots, another $200 to $500. If you hired a video production team for even a basic ad, $500 minimum, often much more. And if you tried to learn Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro from scratch to do it yourself, you're looking at months of learning before you produce anything usable. With this tool, less than the cost of 2 large pizzas. Now I know what some of you are thinking, so let me address it directly. I'm not creative enough for this. This tool's templates and AI tools do the heavy lifting. Your job is just to write a basic prompt, not to design from scratch. I don't have time to learn another tool. You just watched someone walk through 4 complete steps in under 10 minutes. The learning curve is genuinely that short. What if the quality isn't good enough for printing? This tool exports vector and high-resolution PNG files that meet professional print standards. It's built for this exact use case. $15 a month feels like a risk. One product sale covers your entire monthly subscription. That's the math. Here's what you walk away with after today. You have a print-ready clothing graphic that looks like it came from a professional studio. You have product mockups that make your brand look established and real. You have a video ad ready to post on any platform. And you have all of it for $15 in 2 hours starting today. That's not just a creative win, that's a business advantage. You can launch faster, look more professional, and spend your budget on growth instead of design fees. So here's what I want you to do right now. If you want to speed up your design process, click the link in the description to try this Agentic AI for free. For a limited time, use code Agentic for 50% off any annual plan. If you found this video helpful, subscribe because we cover exactly this kind of practical, no-fluff content every week. And drop a comment below, telling me what kind of brand you're building. I read every single one. Don't wait until everything is perfect to start. Start now with what you have and let the tools do the rest. See you in the next one.